Well, hi and welcome to the training video. Now, I don't normally make them quite so quick as this, in other words, following on from the one yesterday, but I thought I really came in this morning, had a quick look at the charts on Pat software, and what I actually told you about yesterday exactly played out. So I thought I'd just go back and show you just how easy this is once you really understand what you're doing and you're reading the market maker's business model. So stick with me for a moment and we will go back onto that chart and have a look. But before we do that, what I want to do is just pull up yesterday's. So let me just pull up the video that I made yesterday so we can see where we are. So if I go back into there, move that over there, and then let's just get rid of that for a second. Call up the original video there. Okay, so this was the original video that I made yesterday. If you can see down here at 9:29, the time of this video. So if you go to this video yesterday, there's the title of it. You can see down there, Learn to Trade with Pat Software. If you go down that, and when you scroll to that time, 9:29, you'll see where I've drawn this trend line up in here. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. So I'm going to minimize that now. I'm going to pull up the chart from today. Okay, so following on, you can see exactly what we've got through here. That's the line that we drew up yesterday through here. I said to you about talking about where you'd place the 90 pips tool, the trade finder tool, the range finder. Start from here, put in the trend line. You can see the market has come down through here, broken through the line. What are we looking for? Remember, we talked about the jump bar down. You can see how the market is going up, and then we get this dramatic move down. Now, remember when I'm talking about this, always when I'm talking about these dramatic moves, I'm obviously most times not talking about dramatic market moves. It's when we get that drop down, that belief, that drop down there of belief, where the collective beliefs, if you like, knock out the preceding beliefs. So when we're looking at Pat, and we see that on the bar here, we can see how that drops down like this, and that gives us our indicator. Okay, we've broken through the trend. And again, remember, we're talking about trend on the belief bars. Very important here. We don't track prices. We're not really interested in the price too much. We're only interested about tracking beliefs and where they are moving, and the beliefs here represented in Pat are with the blue and the yellow bars. So once we see that drop down, in accordance with breaking through the trend line here, that's our opportunity to sell on down. Where do we exit this trade? Okay, what we do is, I covered this yesterday, but I'm going to just move this up so you can see here. So that's where we'd put it on now, because that would be the start of the move. And we'd be looking to exit this trade around about this level here, which is the 66.98. A couple of pips above that to do with spread, if you're using a spread better, something like that. But yeah, a couple of pips above that, that will be the exit target. So it'll be interesting to see if that gets down on there. Of course, we will be monitoring that and watching that. And if we got something, let's say like this over here, we can see where the market jumped up at a belief change up and then rolled over. We'd be thinking about putting a stop loss back on this level here. But really, I'm transposing that, what's happened through that period there. I'm assuming if that happens down later on down here, as we come down here on the way to the exit at the bottom. Okay, so that's it. We don't do anything much more complicated than that. That's how we sort of follow the market. We're looking all the time. We're just simply looking, where are the predominant beliefs? How are those beliefs reacting to a new set of beliefs coming out? And then we're trading according with that as an underlying strength or weakness in the market. So I hope that one helps a little bit. And don't forget, make sure you subscribe. It's always good to subscribe. And then you'll get notifications when I put these videos. So I'll catch up with you very soon. Take care. And just before we close down, don't forget, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell.